Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add balance in Tabby card. So let's get started. First open your Tabby application, then navigate to money option in the bottom, then click on Tabby card. Now here you can see top up option, click on top up. Now selecting the icon, you can adjust how much you want to top up or how much you want to add in your balance. So for this video I want to add 100 dirham, then click on pay. Now from here you have to choose your card or you can use a new card. Okay, after selecting your card, then click on pay, wait few seconds. Now here you can see I have successfully add 100 dirham in my Tabby balance. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.